Hey everyone, welcome back to another food video here in Las Vegas. So today we're gonna be trying all of Buddy V's restaurants. The first stop will be Buddy V's Cafe, and you're probably saying, but Matthew, right behind you is Buddy V's food truck. Jersey Eats is not open just yet, they're open shortly. So we're gonna go over to Buddy V's Cafe that's in the same location. They are both at the Linq Promenade, and I also saw a pizza vending machine, so we're gonna have to go check that out also. If you're new to my videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and let me know what you think is the best thing in this video. Let's eat. Pretty early right now, and the cafe doesn't have their pizza. They only have breakfast pizza. So I walked further down and I found the Boss Café pizza vending machine. So we got the pizza coming, it's heating up right now. You can get it hot or cold. This is the first stop. We'll go to the cafe and then we'll go to the Jersey Eats food truck to try everything. And the cake, you know I already had the cake vending machine, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure to go watch that. Cheese slice, it is $9.95. So that's the first thing I got. I'm just waiting right now for the roast beef sandwich, and I got a cherry cheese Danish. So you can get this pizza hot or cold. I just got the cheese one. That's what the bottom looks like. It actually smells really good, but for a vending machine pizza, being 10 bucks, let's see how it is. It's a little doughy, but that cheese is good. The crust is not too crunchy, but surprisingly, it's not that bad. Chewy dough, the sauce is nice and the cheese is nice. Overall, honestly, it's better than I thought from a vending machine. I wouldn't say it's amazing. It wouldn't be my first stop for pizza, but if you're really hungry for pizza and you can't find it anywhere, it would get the job done. The dough on the outside is a little dry. It's not a foldable pizza. This one is straight up bite. Okay, so here is the roast beef sandwich, and it does come with a little dip over here. I got a cherry cheese Danish. It smells really good. Pretty small for $15, but like I said, everything is going to be definitely touristy, overpriced for Buddy V's name. But let's see if it's at least decent. The cherry cheese Danish. We do have a dip for it, so you already know. Slow-mo, dipping time. So you can get hot peppers or sweet peppers. I got sweet peppers. It smells really good. It's got a good mix of flavors. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Definitely needs the dip though. They do make it fresh to order, so it's not sitting there. It's a pretty tasty sandwich. It's small, but it's... The bread is crunchy and soft. The cheese is melting nice on it. Overall, it's not bad. Better than I thought it would be too, to be honest. So the Danish and the roast beef sandwich came to $20. The pizza was $10. Cherry cheese Danish. He's not really known for this, it's more of the cannolis. But I did have the cannoli over at the Venetian a while ago. It was a chocolate cannoli. And I thought that was pretty good too. Chocolate cannoli, wrapped in chocolate. How can you go wrong? Berries are nice on top. This is a little hard. I probably wouldn't get this again. So overall, that was actually pretty satisfying. So let's go to the next location. So this one is located right here at the Linq Promenade. So this is all outside. You come into the Linq Casino, and the food truck is right over here. got like the most random thing, a chicken sandwich on this menu here. I feel like this place, they just threw a bunch of things on the menu. Say Jersey Eats. People in Jersey eat this stuff. Whoa. That one's for the bloopers. Honestly, it almost tastes like a fish sandwich. It's nothing special. I'm really loving this sandwich for $15. I wouldn't say get this. I'm not a big fan of the onions on it. There's way too many chicken sandwich places in Las Vegas. This would not be the one that I go to. Definitely not my favorite. The seating area here is really nice. We're literally people watching here on Linq Promenade, which is really nice. The one place I haven't been is this restaurant across from the bakery at the Venetian. That's the one I haven't done yet. The vending machine cakes are all over Las Vegas. And I feel like this place is the most random. Let me know what you thought was the best thing in this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And let me know where should I eat next. I'll see you next time.